Alright, here we go. Outriggers. You're oiling them up. Swing around. There's an outrigger pad. I would say that's about 30 foot from the base of the outrigger to this giant outrigger pad. There's another pad right over there. Of course, there's going to be 4 outrigger pads. We'll take a look. There's your operator's cab, which was swung around. These rear eyes right there is going to be the spar, or the gantry is going to go in right there. And up top, the first set of holes there on this side is going to be your boom heel. And then these 2 holes right there are going to be for your mast. So that's all I got for you right now. And once these pieces come in, I'll let you know.